A lot of people have asked me about some other things. Honestly, I'm going to kind of fade out on certain things. Like some people have been asking me about QANX. Yeah, look, this is my trade plan. Yeah, this is my harmonic. A, B, C, on time. Look at that bullish reaction. Yeah, I did this QANX analysis. When did I do this? I don't get, it's really weird because I'm not getting any credit or praise for these, for my for my trading, for my trade ideas. Like literally, no one's like coming back to me and say thank you, you did well, or I appreciated that. Look at this correction. Is it over yet? Where is it? QANX, is it over yet? Look at this. Yeah. Did a 24-minute, again, I don't like it. Did a 24-minute video on QANX. Yeah. I explain, look at this. We're here in the beginning of June, and I'm explaining to people, look, I'm explaining to people that we're probably going down like this. And look what happens. Yeah, it does what I said. It did what, because I was just counting the waves and I was just mapping out this move, and I was calculating, literally calculating this WXY, and coming to the conclusion that by this pivot, this 1-to-1 on fib time, will come into this high volume node and will complete the correction. That's literally what I did. I did that. Look at that. It's going to come in here. I calculated. And it looks really weird. Like when you're looking at the chart, yeah, look how weird that looks. It looks really weird. Look, people, I think people think I'm crazy because look what I'm saying, where I'm saying the price could go to complete this pattern, to come down to here. Look, I even create a trade plan. I even say the 19th, was that the 19th of June? That's your trade plan, high volume node. You've got a 618 extension to complete this correction, ABC down to there, right? And look what happens. Yeah, look at what day you get the bullish reaction, the 19th of June, right? I don't think people give me enough credit. Okay, so I think I might be done doing these coins for people because I'm not getting any kind of, you know, you'd expect people to have watched this video and they go, Amir, you were right, well done. And I'm not getting that. Instead, I'm getting people, can I have another update, please? Can I have another update, please? It's not acceptable, really. And so I'm going to fade out on these tokens because people are taking my, I don't know. I mean, I'm getting no credit. All right. It was a good call, wasn't it, Odenborn? Look at that. I mean, I couldn't have predicted this better. Yeah. And I literally had no feedback from anyone who's involved in QANX to say, wow, that was pretty amazing what you did there. I think it was pretty amazing, wasn't it? I just made that shit up. And look at it. So yeah, so anyway, that's my QANX update. No more QANX updates, okay? But because this is the last QANX update that I'm going to do, yeah, this is literally the last one. I'm not going to do any more because I'm not getting any praise or any feedback or anything back from the QANX community. They don't deserve me, to be honest with you. That's what I feel. That's how I feel right now. Unless that changes, this is my last QANX update. But potentially correction is over. Potentially correction is over. Okay. I can't predict the future. But yeah, look. You had a crystal ball, you posted the videos before the moves as well as proof. I know. Look, I haven't looked at this chart since we were up here and I was saying it's going to go down ABC, another ABC basically. That's how amazing Elliott waves are, but you have to apply them correctly and you have to do it based on experience. And look, see, I said 19th of November. What did I say? Can't remember. If that doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Go through my reasoning. The main one is the fib time, actually. Fib time is really important. I don't think people know how to use fib time. And so when I'm using fib time and I'm kind of coming up with timings, people are a little bit surprised because they're like, how does this person predict the time? Let's see. Some trend base is weird. I've done it from the top to the W to the X to the Y. I've never done it downwards like that before. Usually it goes back up, but it shouldn't really matter, should it? Which kind of gives a 618 here, but then you're in the middle of the gap. But it's at this kind of intersection. Let me just have a look at the overall volume profile as well. Let's have a look at my analysis. I can't remember. Ooh, that's interesting. Let me take the volume profile after this high volume. Look at that high volume node there. See that? See that? You've got the point of control lower down here. That's like the best entry right now, I think. If it's on time, no volume node. If it's on time, see what I said? Fake out this trend line. Into the 618. Into the 618. This trend-based extension. Into the high volume node, just underneath this trend line. Could be front run. On time, which is sometime 19th and 20th of June. Perfect. And look at what happens. 19th of June. See that? So I really feel that people don't deserve my analysis sometimes. Yeah. Because I've had no feedback from that. And I basically call that. I'm not trading QANX, but it's basically done what I said. Right? And that's what I'm doing. I'm using technical techniques based on the way the price moves, based on liquidity levels, based on corrective moves and impulsive moves to preempt or predict the place where the price could come and find support and resistance. Okay. And sometimes it works, but sometimes it doesn't. And the times that it works can be extremely profitable if you use correct risk management. Yeah, so risk management is key, right? In this kind of price action, look at that. Swing failure of this previous low on time, high volume nodes, everything. And look, it faked out. I said it was going to fake out this trend line. It came back above, little back test. And it looks like the low is in on QANX. It looks like it, right? Anyway, this is the last QANX update I do. I think if people want updates, they're just gonna have to come onto my live stream, because I'm not gonna just do it because people want updates. If you want an update, yeah, at least come back and say thank you. I'm not gonna bother otherwise. All right, good luck with QANX. You can still buy now, like just because you've missed the entry, you just have to wait for a pullback.